The Jamb examination is an examination that is done annually. Every year, the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board (Jamb) organizes the Jamb UTME examination for all its candidates who are preparing to get admission into universities, college of educations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on the examination date, the examination requirements, and the registration processes that you need in order to carry out a smooth free registration process. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, share this video with friends and colleagues. And remember to subscribe to my channel in order to continue to get updates on your examination, especially as the exam draws closer. Now I'm going to tell you more about the examination dates. This video is meant to last for as long as possible. So if you are watching this video, the exam dates you're going to get and the requirements are for candidates who are preparing for this exam for the 2024-2025 section. Subsequent sections or subsequent students should check the description section of this video for updates on the exam dates and the exam registration. Now, for the exam date, it's good to know that JAM has authorized examination preparation for the 2024 UTME examination to start registration by the 15th of January 2024, and registration is going to end on the 26th of February 2024. So if you are preparing to sit for this exam, take note of these two dates. Now, the mock examination is going to be on the 7th of March 2024, and the examination date is going to be on the 19th to 29th of April 2024. Now remember, JAM examination slip reprint is going to start from the 10th of April. Remember, either a week or 2 weeks to the examination date. Now, these are the examination dates for the 2024 JAM UTME examination. Now, for the exam requirements, you are going to need some things for the examination, and I'm going to highlight them for you in this video. One, you're going to need the national identification number, the NIM, which is very important. If you haven't done that, go and look for where the NIMC office is close to you and get your registration done in order to get the 11-digit NIM number. Two, you need an active email address. Three, you need an active phone number. And four, you're going to need the JAM profile code. I'm going to tell you how to generate that profile code. And five, you're going to need the JAM e-pin. Apart from this, as you go to your CBT center to complete your registration, you're going to need these data. One, your surname, your first name, and your middle name. You're going to be asked of your gender, or that is your sex, whether male or female, your date of birth, your state of origin, your local government area, your religion, your examination status, your phone number, your email address. Make sure it is the same email address that has been given to you. You are going to be asked of your median name, which is your mother's surname. You're going to be asked of your choice of institution. So make sure you prepare for institution, including university, polytechnic, and college of education. Four choices of institution. And you'll be asked for to choose choice of what course of study is very important. So prepare your mind for the course you want to study in any of these universities. You'll also be asked to choose your preferred state for the examination. You might be in Abuja registering for the exam, then the registration will continue, will be done in Abuja, but your preferred state to sit for the exam might be in Lagos, Ogun State, or any other state in Nigeria. Be sure to specify the state you want to sit for your examination. This is that for the requirement for those who will be sitting for the 2024-2025 JAM UTME examination. Now, for those who will be sitting for this exam and subsequent one, these are the examination process you go through. I'm going to explain these steps in these processes in 3 steps. One, you need to generate your profile code. With this profile code, you can be able to begin your registration for the examination. Now, there are 2 ways in which you can generate your profile code. You either use the SMS sending message to a code, or you use the USSD code as an alternative. I prefer students using the SMS or short message service means. Now, how do you go about doing that? Look at the screen you are going to see. To send such message, text as a text message NIN with 11-digit NIN number. Send such text message to 55019 or 66019. And once you finish sending that text message, a message will be sent to you as a feedback. The message is going to read, your request has been received and is being processed. You will get response shortly. Now, take note of this message. The response will come telling you what your profile code is. Now, having received that profile code, which may take about 1 day or more, depending on the network, you are going to take this code to a bank or a Jamb accredited center to continue your registration. Take note, this is step 2. Take this profile code to any bank or Jamb center or accredited Jamb center to pay a sum of 4,700 naira. Now, that sum of 4,700 naira will be the sum you will pay for the Jamb electronic PIN, which is the ePIN 3,500. Your reading text which will be given to you in a CD, that's 500. And the sum will also include a 700 CBT registration fee. That is what you will pay for the continuation of your registration. So having paid this sum, the bank is going to send you a text message of your ePIN to the phone number you registered with. Once you get that ePIN, take that ePIN to the closest Jamb CPT center. I'm going to send you the link of all the Jamb CPT center in the description section of this video. Go to the one closest to you, the address is there, and check to continue your registration. Take that ePIN to them alongside with all those biodata are mentioned as part of the requirement. Once you get there, hand over the biodata to them and commence your online registration. At the end of the imputing of those biodata, you'll be asked to take your biometrics, that is, your passport photograph and your and your fingerprints. You will be required to do all that. And once it is successful, the CPT registration center is going to give you an e-slip, e-registration slip. Take note. Take the picture of that e-registration slip to keep it safe because it's going to contain your examination number, and keep the hard copy safe. Once you get that your e-registration slip, that is what you use for your Jamb reprinting, exam slip reprinting. During the course of exam slip reprinting, you use your examination number in order to get your examination date, time, and what, and venue for your examination. So keep that e-slip very well. It's very, very important. These are the processes that you need to get to know as you prepare to register for the Jamb 2024-2025 UTME examination. For subsequent exams that has to do with Jamb, be sure to check the description section of this video for an update on the examination date and the registration requirement. We do organize home lessons or online classes for examination candidates. Be sure to check the link in the description section of this video to get the time and the subjects for each time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to comment on your registration process. We want to know how well you went about the registration in the comment section of this section. And we want to know how well the advice I've given to you in this video worked well for you. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get subsequent updates of your exam as your exam draws ever more close. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.